We're going to talk about common myths and misconceptions about dental implants. There are many misconceptions about dental implants. I would say the number one would be that I'm not a candidate to get dental implants. A lot of patients have been told that they're not candidate for dental implants due to the lack of bone availability or thickness of bone, which with today's technology, actually about 99% of the patients are candidate for dental implants. It's just being able to utilize the proper technology to place them in a proper position so they can survive and function for the patient. So the big misconception that most patients have about dental implants are that they've been told they're not a candidate, and unfortunately we see tons of patients coming in with a bag of dentures because they thought that's all they can have. At Same Day Smile, we have the expertise, the knowledge, and also the experience and technology to place implants, but also give them a better outcome in their aesthetic and their smile. So during our consults, we go above and beyond to not only educate you what the possibilities are, but also how to maintain your investment and how to keep your beautiful smile